Hi guys, I'm Shigo. I'm a 16-year-old French drag queen. My drag is very much based on Disney villains because Disney villains, the woman, of course, not the men, are feminine and very powerful at the same time. For the people that feel like men shouldn't wear makeup, at the end of the day, makeup is just material. Your phone is material, my fur is material, my hat is material. And material does not have a sex, it's for everybody. And makeup wasn't invented for women, it was invented to make people feel better about themselves because they're transforming themselves.
Hi, I'm Lemenestrel. I'm a French club kid and I do makeup since 2 years. For the complexion, I first use a foundation for all my face, then I use white and brownish shade to do the light and the contouring of my face. For the blue shade, I first use a liquid lipstick to be more precise, then I blend it and I use some eyeshadow to make it pop. Thank you for watching this tutorial with Boys Do It Too. I'm Le Menestrel and follow me on Instagram.
Hi guys, it's Shigo again. I'm gonna add my foundation right now, and don't forget to blend it well because then we're gonna add some concealer. I'm gonna add some white to it so it looks even more pale. After that, I will contour my cheeks, forehead, and chin. So now let's start with the eyes. I'm first up gonna draw on my white brows. And then I'm gonna set them up and I will add another white layer to it so it pops off even more. After that, I will contour down my nose to make it look snatched. My inspirations behind this look were Donatella Versace, Lady Gaga, and the most important thing of all, sex dolls. First I'm gonna take some eyeliner and I'm gonna make plenty of little dots and drops and lines. Just make it messy, it will look good. And now I'm gonna add the star of the look, the huge lip prosthetic. Don't forget to follow me at official Shigo on Instagram. And well, see you guys in your nightmares.